serious heat lightning tonight, folks. It's beautiful. Oh, man. I'm just hoping I don't drop this in the pool. Oh, oh, man. That is so cool.